Hey there! Ready to learn how to add transactions to your base planner? Let's dive in. In the Add Transaction box, choose the type of transaction you want to add. If it's a transaction that will repeat weekly, monthly, or annually, select Repeating Transaction. If it's a one-time only, select One Time. For this tutorial, let's focus on adding a one-time transaction. Input the name of the transaction, for example, Summer Bonus. Then, select the type of transaction. That is income. Next, input the transaction date and the amount. Make sure to double-check the information before proceeding. Click on the Add button to include the transaction in your base planner. Visualize the change in the graph. To confirm that the transaction has been successfully added, scroll to the particular month in your base planner and expand it to view the transaction details. And there you have it. Adding transactions to your base planner is quick and easy.